Look at this. Barafka your feet. Look at this.
What are you doing?
I don't know, Baba. My God, I was checking how deep is.
We're going sledding today.
We're not gonna do. Oh my God. What are you guys doing?
Go back to the side of sled and play with the snow.
Okay. What is that? Yes, Yusuf.
A sledding board. Daddy bought.
Hi, man. Are you guys open the door? Yeah. I'm gonna record you from here. Then I'm not going outside. Go, just go. I'm gonna watch you from here. Oh my God. Be careful. That guy is already in it. It's too deep. It's too deep. Yeah.
This won't work.
Yeah, I know it's too deep.
It's too deep.
It's too deep.
We don't need these.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't need that. It's too big.
You guys don't need it. Yes,
No, because I have to. There's snow getting in me, so.
there's no getting in you where?
And my gloves, so I have to fix it.
Here, I don't need this.
Okay.
I don't need it.
Okay.
I would.
Okay.
I'm at the top. I'm at the top.
Where you guys going? Let me go in too. Can I try in?
Yeah. You don't have no snow pants.
Ah. Ah.
I'm all ready. Apple, the snow is coming to my
Oh my God.
Apple, look. Okay, I'm taking this the other way.
Hey guys, come back over here. That's too deep.
No, we're going in the snow. We're going in the woods.
No. Can't go there. Let's go, guys. Come back, please. Play over here. Man, it's too deep. And it's still falling though.
Yep. We might not go to school tomorrow.
My feet are. Can we take a what? She throw on your eyes.
Hey, you can throw it.
Throw at her too.
I'm
Hit her with.
fight.
I'm getting in the house, dude. I can't stay. I don't have gloves. I have to get in the house. Oh my God, we're gonna mess up. Mama gonna be mad. We're gonna mess up her house. Come close here. Oh my God. Is anybody freezing?
No.
You need to come in if you feel cold, guys.
Is that anyone cold?
No.
Okay.
Is that cold?
No. Apple, go get Hoyer's jacket.
Huh?
Go get Hoyer's jacket. It's like this.
Who? Me? Me?
Yeah.
I don't want to stay outside. Oh, you guys can play. But I'm not.
Getting gritty.
Yeah. Look, the house.
Yeah. Hey, there's snow in the house.
Yeah, there's no coming in the house. Look. Can I come to you guys?
Yes.
Okay.
There's snow in my shoes. There's snow in my
Apple,
shoes.
you're looking at our room up there.
There's snow in my shoes.
You gotta put your snow pants down like that.
Yes, it's new. Get into your shoes.
Yep.
Go empty it out.
No, Apple.
Go empty it out, Abba.
Help me, Mom, 'cause she can't walk.
Yeah.
I'm not slippery. I can't walk.
Hey, let's get back to the house. Let's warm it up a little bit.
No.
No, you can get back to it. I'm not gonna take you in the house. You just go back and warm a little bit. You can come back.
Staying.
Okay. Yeah, full of snow, huh? Oh my God! Mom's gonna be pissed. Can we get a towels here, please? Go get a towel, look bad, please.
There's no more towels.
There's a 2 of them, actually, 3 of them. Go get a more of them here.
No, those you can't use those.
Hey guys, look at me. Look at my chick I just made out.
Huh?
I'm like down in snow. Cover your head up. Cover your head, please. Put her head on, please. Can you help her? caruurtu waxaan waa jecel yihiin, yeah? You guys like it?
Yep.
Why? Why you like it? This is a misery.
Abba, look.
Why you guys like it to play with the snow?
Abba, look.
Weekend oo dhan baad ilahaydeen snowga aaba noo ogolow. How do you guys feeling?
Good.
You feeling good? Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna play more?
Yeah.
You finish?
Yeah.
Ilwa, you finish?
No.
You wanna play more? Okay, how about you, Yusuf,
Yeah.
you can have that phone in the snow. Come on, give it to me.
But he wants to see.
Okay, then.
Wait, I need to go inside.
Okay, look at this. You guys wanna play more?
Yeah.
Huh? You finish?
Bye. What?
Kuwani maanta ina qabow u dhiman baan ka baqay. Yeah?
I'm putting on my gloves really. Abba!
Can't imagine.
Taking a snack.
Snack? Okay. They buried him on a snow. Look at that. That guy, they buried him on a snow. Man. I'm watching from inside.
And I think
Yasin,
you too.
I see Yasin been buried with the snow. The 2 girls are doing to him. Look at what they're doing to him. Can you go help him? Tell them no, please. The girls are covering with the snow, that guy. They buried him on the snow.
I'm going to go help.
Way aasenba. Ore ma barafaa lagugu aasay adiga? They buried you in the snow?
Yeah.
I saw it. I saw what they did. Come on, empty it out. Come on, your jacket kaaga waxa dhan uu galay. Ha. Kale iska daali abo. Iska daadi, haye, iska daadi. Daga daadi lagu soo guday. Waxaan ligadaniyo.
I threw snow.
Gurigii oo dhan snow ka dhigteen. La ilaha illallah. You guys.
You're cleaning.
Huh?
Can we do last to get in the house? So the last person to get inside the house wins money from you.
What?
So the person who stays outside the longest.
Somebody gonna freeze to death. Then if you guys have a competition, who's gonna last? That's not gonna work. I will pay money who come first. Who?
Me, I'm going to win.
I'll run into the house then. Hey, let's go then. Who get in the house first? No.
I got in the house.
I won.
Who?
I won.
Me, I pushed it and then
Who's gonna do the cleanup?
Me.
Okay, you need to do the cleanup right now.
We are.
Okay. Hurgus paaka naga hurgus. Shoes.
yeah.
Daddy, watch that. You hit me in the nose.
Look at you. Look bad. You're not even helping the boys, huh? You done?
I'm helping the boys.
Okay. The 2 girls are not doing anything?
Nope.
Okay. All right, Queen.
Jacket and snow pants.